Let's solve this differential equation. dy by dx plus 7y is equal to e to the 3x. Now, from looking at it, you can see that it is of the form dy by dx plus py equals q, where p is equal to 7 and q is equal to e to the 3x. You can see that. Now, what I want you to do, based on what we have done previously in previous videos, is to pause the video and finish off this integration. Okay, have you done that? Finished? All right, so let's look at working it out now. Now that you have completed it, or at least have made a genuine attempt at it. So here now, the integrating factor is equal to e to the integral of p dx, which in this case is e to the integral of 7 dx. So we multiply by that integrating factor. We have e to the integral of 7 dx multiplied by dy by dx plus, then we have e to the integral of p dx multiplied by 7y, and that is equal to e to the integral of p dx multiplied by e to the 3x. Alright. Now, what do we have here? Interesting. Let's rewrite this. We have e to the integral of 7 dx times dy by dx plus, let's put the 7 in front, 7 e to the integral of p dx multiplied by y is equal to e to the integral of p dx multiplied by e to the 3x. Alright. Now, you notice that if we differentiate e to the integral of p dx, e to the integral of 7 dx, we have 7 e to the integral of 7 dx. I wrote p up here, it should be 7. And I did the same thing here too. It should be 7. Did I do it over here? Oh, there's no more. Alright, so here now, notice if you differentiate e to the integral of 7 dx, you have 7 e to the integral of 7 dx. You differentiate y, you get dy by dx. So what happened? We hold e to the integral of 7 dx, differentiate y, plus hold y plus times differentiate e to the integral of 7 dx. So this is differentiation by a product rule. So what we have is the derivative with respect to x of e to the integral of 7 dx times y. Alright? So we differentiate this product, and that's equal to e to the integral of 7 dx times e to the 3x. Good. Now, here, if we integrate both sides, of the integral of this is equal to the integral of this dx. So, over here, the integral of the derivative of a function, it will leave the function undisturbed. E to the integral of 7 dx times y equals. Now, let's work this out. This is going to be the integral of e to the integral of 7 dx times e to the 3x dx. Let's work these things out. What is the integral of 7 dx? Well, it's going to be 7x plus c, but we'll leave out the plus c in this case. Alright? So the integral of 7 dx is equal to 7x. So what we have on the left hand side now is e to the 7x times y equals the integral of e to the 7x times e to the 3x dx. So we have now e to the 7x times y is equal to, we could rewrite this with our knowledge of the laws of indices. We have e to the 7x times e to the 3x. We add the indices. So what we have is e to the 7x plus 3x is 10x dx. Alright? So here we have e to the 7x y is equal to, we're going to integrate this, integrate e to the 10x dx. We're going to get e to the 10x divided by 10 plus c. Then we can here divide both sides by e raised to the power of e raised to the power of 7x. So we end up with y is equal to, well, in this case it would be e to the 10x divided by 10 divided by e to the 7x, but it's same as multiplying by e to the negative 7x plus c divided by e to the 7x. So this would be y equals e to the 3x divided by 10 plus, well, we could write this as e to the negative 7x or c e to the negative 7x. So that's what we have there. So just a quick review. Let me write the 10 properly. A quick review here. We have dy by dx plus 7y is equal to e to the 3x. It is in the form dy by dx plus py equals q. So we use the integrating factor. We identify p as 7, q is equal to e to the 3x. Now, since we have p being equal to 7, the integrating factor is e to the integral of p dx, which is e to the integral of 7 dx. Alright? Now, you could work out what the integral of 7 is from here, if you wanted to, but let's continue as it is. E to the integral of 7 dx times dy by dx. We are multiplying both sides by the integrating factor. We put the integrating factor in green here. e to the integral of 7 dx dy by dx plus e to the integral of, well, it should be 7 dx by 7y, right? It would be, in this case, 7 dx, because we know what p is already, so we might as well just put it there. P is 7. So e to the integral of 7 dx times 7y, we multiply both sides, times e to the integral of 7 dx times e to the power of 3x. And then we have what we have here. We recognize it as the product of differentiating using the product rule, the result of differentiating using the product rule. So what we have is the derivative with respect to x of this product is e to the integral of 7 dx times y, alright? And that's equal to e to the integral of 7 dx e to the 3 dx. Then we integrate both sides. When you integrate all of this here, you are integrating the derivative of some function, so the function is left as it is, as it was before. You can consider the integral and derivative as if they have cancelled out each other, leaving the function undisturbed. That's equal to, and then we have e to the integral of 7 dx e to the 3x, and the integral of all of that with respect to x dx. So we know that the integral of 7 dx is 7x. So we replace the integral of 7 dx by 7x. So e to the integral, no, it's e to the 7x. Y equal the integral of e to the 7x e to the 3x. So when we work it out, we have e to the 7xy equals integral of e to the 10x dx when we add the indices here. And we divide, well, we work out what the integral of e to the 10x is, and we know that it's e to the 10x divided by 10 plus c. Remember, it's integration using the, if you use integration using the substitution, you'd get this, all right? Integration by substitution. So divide both sides by e to the 7x. What we have then is y is equal to e to the 10x divided by 10 times e to the negative 7x plus c divided by e to the 7x. You can write it as y is equal to e to the 3x divided by 10 plus c, the constant of integration, c times e to the, oh, here, mistake here, it would be negative 7x. Since we have e divided by, since we have c divided by e to the 7x, this would become c multiplied by e to the negative 7x. So it's a negative 7x. So there we have it. That is our answer. Now, if you did not get it, if you did not get that, when you worked it out at first, I want you to try this again without looking back at the solutions that I have here. Any mistakes you see, just make a comment about it. Any questions, comments, and so on, put it in the comment section. Remember to share the video with someone else. Alright, so that will be it for today, for this video. I'll see you in the next video.